GoPro HERO12 bundle is nuts. 5.3K footage, 50 wild accessories and 0 excuses for boring shots. You're out there chasing sunsets, crushing trails, or cannonballing into chaos, and your footage still looks like it was filmed with a potato. Shaky shots. Washed out colors. Half your gear missing or not compatible. Sound familiar? You're stuck with tools that slow you down and steal the soul from your story. Whether you're a weekend warrior, content creator, or adrenaline junkie, it's soul-crushing to miss the shot because your camera or setup just couldn't keep up. It's 2025, why are you still settling for gear that belongs in a museum? You've got too much going on to babysit weak gear. Switching mounts. Recharging batteries every hour. Missing your best moments because the SD card's full or your camera overheated again. Worse? You finally record something epic, just to find it's blurry, off-level, or your head got cut off. The stress builds, deadlines loom, the content isn't flowing, and now you're burnt out, over it, and one glitch away from throwing your setup in a lake. We've all been there, and trust us, it's a vibe killer. Enter your new ride or die, the GoPro HERO12 Black, 5.3K video, buttery smooth stabilization, jaw-dropping HDR, and dual screens for front or back flex. But wait, this isn't just the camera. It's the GoPro bundles, 50 wild accessories, a 128GB SanDisk card, mounts for every limb, yes, even your helmet, a floating grip, chest strap, suction cup, and more. Hypersmooth 6.0, horizon lock, slow mo magic, this baby makes your content look like Hollywood without the drama. Waterproof, crash-proof, burnout-proof. It's not just a camera. It's a transformation station. No tech headaches, no limits, no wasted seconds. You're locked, loaded, and ready to go with USB-C charging, fast file transfer, easy touchscreen interface, and instant compatibility. Whether you're surfing, skydiving, or cooking ramen in a rainstorm, no judgment, this bundle has your back, rain, shine, or internet rage. Better battery life means more adventure, less recharging. The best part? Your footage will finally match your energy, clean, smooth, and unforgettable. Instant flex, instant followers, instant impact. Just mount and go. You're not just buying a camera. You're unlocking a lifestyle upgrade. One that turns every hike, ride, dive, or awkward birthday party into cinematic gold. Stop fumbling with cheap gear and start capturing life the way it deserves to be remembered. Act now, because this bundle is stacked, packed, and hot enough to sell out fast. Want to finally love your footage and feel like a content god? Then don't scroll past this. Smash that buy button. Your future followers will thank you.